Hi guys, this is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. Another day, another recipe, and this one from Hungary again. I know a couple of days ago I posted a recipe from Hungary, and today is another Hungarian recipe. It is beef and sour cabbage stew. It's actually Szekely Kaposzta in Hungarian. It's more to, yeah, I think it is stew. It is stew. Anyway, check out the video now, seasoning and pie. This is 2 cups of flour, 1 heaping tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder, half tablespoon of sweet paprika powder, and 1 tablespoon of fennel or caraway seeds. Just mix this. Then we're gonna drop in our beef cubes and coat it nicely. Here was 1 jar of sauerkraut, wine sauerkraut that you drain and then rinse with clean water. This is 1.3 kilogram of beef cubes, so you can just coat it. You can use your hand with gloves or directly, or you can use spatula, it's up to you. Like so. Then we're gonna brown this beef using our Instant Pot. This is about 1/3 cup of water. We choose saute option on the Instant Pot. Remove excess flour or coating from the beef. We'll just take out the beef from the flour coating and then saute it or brown it. Steaming. Now that the beef are mostly brown, take them out and set to side. Add in onion and garlic and saute till fragrant. Then we also gonna add in 2 tablespoons of fennel or caraway seeds and half tablespoon of sweet paprika powder. Now we're gonna add in a little bit of beef broth. Now we're gonna add in our beef cubes once it's boiling. Then we're gonna add in our rinsed sauerkraut as well. Then we're gonna mix this as well, putting the last of the beef broth. Then we're gonna turn off the saute option. We're gonna close the lid and change it to soup option. First, we're gonna mix this. And before we close it with the lid, drop into beef cubes, and that's it. Click the cancel for the saute, and now choose the broth and cook it for 1 and a half. Then we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients after that mark. When the time is up, release the steam, cancel, and let steam totally gone before you open the lid. It's 1 cup of flour with enough water, half tablespoon of caraway seeds, and 1/4 tablespoon of sweet paprika powder, and just mix it until diluted. Then we're gonna add in sour cream to this, and add in 1/2 cup to 1 cup of sour cream and just mix it to combine. Now we're gonna pour this into the Instant Pot. Now that it's ready, the steam is gone. Gonna stir it And then we're gonna add in our sour cream mixture with dill, sliced fresh dill. We're gonna bring this to boil again. And don't forget your dill as well. In the dill as well. And adjust the flavoring if you need more flavoring, more salt or more sour cream or more dill, it's up to you. This is about 1 small bowl of dill. You can add chicken bouillon powder as well. I like when it's beef, I mix it with chicken bouillon powder instead of beef bouillon. I think it makes the flavor more richer. And bring back to boil for 5 to 8 minutes, and your Szekely Kaposzta is ready to be served. This is great to be served with sourdough bread or crusty bread.
You had A, B,